Some men will end up on a birth certificate, but not be the father, mostly due to unexpected twists and turns. While this act may stem from various circumstances, it often raises questions about parental rights, responsibilities, and the legal process involved in rectifying the situation. In Oklahoma, as in many other states, understanding the steps to remove a non-biological father from a birth certificate is crucial for all parties. Under Oklahoma law, signing a birth certificate creates a legal presumption of paternity, which can result in child support obligations and limit your ability to contest paternity later. If you've discovered that you're not the biological father but have already signed the certificate, it's critical to act quickly. You may be able to challenge paternity through a court proceeding, but strict deadlines and procedural rules apply. If you sign an affidavit of paternity at the hospital, they will list you on the birth certificate. An affidavit of paternity is a short one-page document that says you are the father of the child. When a man signs a birth certificate for a child who is not his biological offspring, it creates a legal presumption of paternity. This presumption can have significant implications, including obligations for child support, inheritance rights, and parental responsibilities. However, if it later becomes evident that the man is not the biological father, rectifying this situation requires a formal legal process. The new paternity laws in Oklahoma put a limit on the time you have to withdraw the acknowledgement. The first time limit you are facing is 60 days. In this time period, you will formally send notice to all concerned that you are withdrawing your affidavit of paternity. Going through the court system is a more arduous and lengthy battle, so meeting this 60-day time limit is your best recourse. Challenging paternity in court after signing a birth certificate in Oklahoma is possible, but it must be done promptly and according to strict legal procedures. Once a man signs a birth certificate, he is presumed to be the legal father, which can trigger child support obligations and other legal responsibilities, even if DNA evidence later shows he is not the biological parent. To contest paternity outside of the 60-day drop-dead date, the presumed father must file a petition in district court seeking to disestablish paternity within 2 years of the child's birth. The court may require DNA testing, and the judge will consider the best interests of the child when deciding whether to overturn the presumption. Failing to act within the statutory time frame may result in the court upholding paternity, regardless of biological evidence. To disestablish your paternity rights and obligations in court, hiring a lawyer is highly advisable. The last thing you want is to have a simple clerical error saddle you with a lifetime of responsibility. A proper paternity lawyer can ensure your rights are not only fought for, but also that no legal issues arise later down the line.